Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Bharat. Today we have a new video with latest software testing job updates. We will cover both manual and automation roles. On this channel you will get a daily video with testing job updates. We are here to help you stay informed and improve your job hunting process. Before we dive in, we have one small request. Please like the video, leave a comment and share it with your friends or your family who might need these job updates. We also offer a daily job update service. You will receive a daily text file with fresh job updates on your WhatsApp number. In this service, you will get a text file which consists HR email ID, job location. If you are interested in this service, you can message me on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is in the description. We have had many placements through this service and you can see the proof in our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. You can check out by visit our Telegram channel. Now let's move to the latest software testing jobs.